I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I've got Happy Mail. This pretty little pink envelope showed up in my mailbox from Patricia King. I call Happy Mail a hug in a box because it is. And people work hard to send out Happy Mail, and I really appreciate it. Seriously, I do. You know, it's not just the wrapping the container. A lot of people have to take it to the post office and, you know, the cost of postage and everything. I really appreciate it very much. Oh, wow, thank you. Y'all can't see it yet, but I know what it is, and I'm very excited. I have found that these little outfits will fit the midi Blythes, and we're always looking for clothing for the midi Blythes because they're so tiny bodies. Oh, this is a cute set. This is Kukuhara Juku. I used to be able to say that really well, but I was saying it more often. Kukuhara Juku. Look how stinking cute that is. The shoes from these sets fit boxy girls. And I can't remember, I don't think the clothing does. The clothing fits the midi Blythe. And these adorable little accessories. Look at that. You know what? I'm going to go get a midi Blythe because I think that headband will fit a midi. How cute is my midi Blythe doll? And look, it really does fit. Oh, I could have pulled that tighter there. It really does fit, and it fits well. So if you're looking for little clothes for your midi Blythes, they have the tiniest bodies. Kukuhara Juku clothes do fit them. And the headband is iffy. It kind of slides because they don't have as much hair. Their skulls are a little different, and their faces are flat. But it does go on there, and it is really stinking cute. Let me hold it like this so you can see. Let me put her in her little stand. I wanted you to see the back and how nice it fit. Thank you so much, Patricia. I really appreciate it. Drop by the link below in the description to visit Patricia's channel. Take a look at her dolls. They're beautiful. She not only has reborns and Blythe, I'm trying to remember. She has a stuffed monkey that chitters. It is the cutest thing. It chitters and chatters and talks. It's adorable. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.